Oh yeah. With the kitty, mommy. Oh yeah. Hey, the Nazca lines. Sure that's
okay, so this is kind of like a mix between Dr. Mario and the Tetris Attack game. I don't know. I don't know what to do. It's supposed to match the blocks, I'm assuming. Yeah, there we go.
It's just like Tetris.
No, it's not like Tetris at all. This is more like Dr. Mario than Tetris. It's like it's like because you have to like match the colors. Tetris, you don't match colors, you just make shapes.
Oh, I get you.
It's a completely different like thought process.
Yeah, I get you.
You get me?
Yep, I get you. No, flat. Oh, you only need 3 too. That
Yeah.
makes it easier.
You have to get rid of it's like Dr. Mario. You have to get rid of the
set of pills.
Yeah, it's Tetris pieces. It's kind of hard. Oh. I can still move it. I just screwed myself.
There.
I know. I'm looking at it from the side, so like, I can't. This game's hard.
I dig it.
It takes a lot of thinking. Okay, there we go.
What are the controls?
The same as regular Tetris. You can see, like that piece is so hard to like know what to do.
Ah, that's not bad. We're almost done already.
You didn't want to get rid of the yellow?
What?
You would have gotten rid of one of your yellow things. Remember, it only takes 3.
Oh, shit.
Ooh, that was good. It did look
Yeah,
cool.
Just watch.
I like Dr. Mario better. I'd say you should either play Tetris or Dr. Mario. Or I prefer Tetris Attack over this, like a million times. But it's not bad.
No, that's fun.
If I had it as a kid, I'd be happy with it. Yeah.
What? Why do you keep looking at me like that? Just because you don't like my choice and my positioning don't mean it's wrong.
You're never gonna get to those two.
That's bull. You should have fallen from there.
No, because it's the same color.
Huh? My mind's giving up. I'm playing Tetris. And
You
it's not
are. You were
Tetris.
playing them. I was wondering what you were doing.
My theory was Tetris would still win out.
No, instead you just like cornered yourself away from.
I know.
You just built up like a huge wall. I can't even get to those two.
I don't care. I'm playing Tetris. Oh, that was bad. I'll take it.
You keep trying to make matches, but then you keep like instead of trying to make matches like to get to the block, you're just putting stuff on top of the blocks and making matches everywhere else. Are you making letters now?
Yeah. Is it frustrating you to watch me? Watch me get a big letter. No.
What was that? Why'd you put it
I
there?
Because I'm playing Tetris. I'm trying to get 4 lines. Oh, totally just playing Tetris. Alright, you want to play?
I'm not playing this board.
What?
Yeah, give me the controller as your leg and baby that set up like this.
I don't know what you're talking about. Oh, that's good.
Yeah, and even the game felt bad for you.
I know. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Yes, here you can retry that. Show me how it's done, there, little lady. I was doing good until the last 2. And then I just kind of started playing Tetris.
Oh, I put it. I offlined it again.
Or you can go right in that. I just need it right on the bottom. phone one. Oh, it didn't work. Cool. That's how you're supposed to do it, huh? It's not Tetris, huh? It says Tetris in the name.
Oh, stupid freaking didn't move over all the way.
I think that should have fallen. That's what was pissing me off. I was expecting some to fall, but they only fall when they're the droppers, not the ones sitting. I think it's crap.
I'll do one more.
Yep. Awesome. All right, that's it. No more. No more Nazca lines. No more Tetris. It's not.